Video, we can have a look at how to change the custom sorting by different categories. So if I refresh the page, you'll see here that we have all the default sorting options available. I'm going to head over here, and in this snippet, you'll see that we have now targeted the product category hoodies to only show, not to show price and price description. And in the rest of the categories, we've disabled just about everything except the default sort and the rating. So if I now activate the snippet, head over to the front page, so you'll see at the moment we have all the sorting options, refresh, and you'll see we'll just be left with the default sorting and the average rating. If I head over to the hoodie category, you will now see that in the hoodies category that the sorting now is everything except the price. If I just wanted the price to be visible in the hoodies category, I'm going to head over and then just unset everything except the price. So it would be all those items, and to add a new item would be as easy as just copy, make a new line. So we've disabled everything. We're going to disable everything except the price. So we need to do the date. We've got, so we'll do rating, popularity. Let's go the default menu order. So we'll do everything except the price, and then we'll change to just the price, disabled everywhere else. So I think that would be all of them, and then we'll save. Then we head back to the website. So now I'm in hoodies and everything should be disabled except the pricing. So there we only have the pricing. And if I go back to the shop, we should have everything available except the pricing. So that's how you can change what's visible in the different categories. And the other way to do it is to use the, if it's not a category. So if the product category is not hoodies, then display this information, else the price. So what we're going to do now is swap it around. So what will happen now is that you'll see now that in hoodies only the, so here we'll have everything except the price. And if I go into hoodies, we'll have no price sorting, but everything else. So there's everything else except the price. So if we put the exclamation mark in front, it basically says if it isn't the category hoodies, insert this, otherwise insert this in, and basically back into hoodies. Anyway, that's how you can easily set up what's visible. You can of course then use an else if statement. So you could go if product category is hoodie, and then here you can also then go else if and add another statement here, and here maybe beanie. So if it's hoodies, disable everything except the price. If it's beanie, only disable the price. And then we're going to save that. And now if I go to the hoodie category, so in the hoodie category now, everything is disabled except the price. So I'm going to refresh that. So there you can see I've only got price. I'm going to go back to the shop. I'm going to head over to the beanie. And when I go into the beanie category now, everything will be there except the price. So that's how you can target different categories. To target two categories, we need to use the OR statement. So we will say if is product category hoodies or is product category accessories, then hide everything except the price. Let's save the changes. And now you'll see that if I'm in the accessories category and I refresh, we just have the price, and that is as per it should be according to the function. And if I go back to the shop, Now you'll see that in the shop I have all the options available, and if I go into Beanie, you'll see that Beanie still shows everything except the price. So that's pretty much then pretty much an easy way then that you can update the sort options based on different categories. I hope you enjoyed that. The code is in the first comment below the video. Thank you for watching.